Welcome to today's video on how to kiss a woman. If you've ever wondered how to kiss a lady and make it a special, meaningful moment, you've come to the right place. Kissing is an art, a shared connection, and it's all about timing, consent, and the right atmosphere. Let's break it down step by step so you can feel confident and respectful when the moment arrives. Before even thinking about a kiss, it's crucial to make sure the mood is right. Whether you're on a romantic walk, sharing a laugh over dinner, or watching a movie together, the environment should feel relaxed and intimate. A good conversation, some eye contact, and shared laughter can set the tone. Kissing is a two-way connection, and reading her body language is key. Does she make prolonged eye contact? Is she leaning in closer? Maybe she's glancing at your lips. These are subtle signs she might be ready for a kiss. If she's pulling back or seems distracted, it's best to wait. The most attractive thing you can do is respect her boundaries. A simple, "May I kiss you?" can make the moment even more special. It shows confidence and respect, and most women will appreciate your consideration. When the moment feels right, lean in slowly. Maintain eye contact as you close the distance. Pause briefly when you're close to let the anticipation build. If she leans in too, go for a soft, gentle kiss. No sudden movements. Let it flow naturally. Keep the first kiss light and sweet. It's better to start small and let things develop naturally. Avoid too much pressure or anything overwhelming. The first kiss is about connection, not intensity. After the kiss, see how she responds. If she's smiling or leaning in closer, that's a great sign she enjoyed the moment. If she pulls back, respect her space and don't push further. Always prioritize her comfort. And there you have it, a guide to creating the perfect moment for a kiss. Remember, it's about respect, connection, and enjoying the shared experience. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more relationship advice and drop a comment below about your first kiss experience. Thanks for watching.